सर्वेभ्यः हृत्पूर्वक नमस्काराः. Welcome to Sri Venkateshwara Suprabhatam Parayana Shikshanam webinar. We had a very fruitful session yesterday with Dr. Soumya Krishnapur, and I hope all your doubts about Dvitvam, Chandas and all of them have been cleared. So let us focus on learning the verses today, the ones in Prapatti. We have commenced Prapatti. So we will have a quick recap of the ones we've already learned and then learn the new verses. As usual, we begin with Guru Vandanam. Gurureva gatir gurumeva bhaje Gurunaiva sahasmi namo gurave Na gurof paramam shishurasmi guroho Matirasti gurau mama pahi guro. Now we move to Prapatti. Yesterday's recording has been uploaded, and I think even the slides, the presentation has also been uploaded on the course page. One announcement is that you all will have to register on www.sanskritfromhome.in. So only when you register, you will be able to access the course page. So despite sending emails with the text, etc., I keep getting emails saying you're not able to access the course page. And we don't send you any login details. They are the login details you create while you register. So once you register, you will have to log in every time with the same username and password. So you have to sign in. So once you sign in, then you have to click on take the course, and then you will be able to access the course page. So if you've just been following YouTube live, etc., you will not be able to access the course page. And in case you've forgotten your username or password, there is an option. So you click on that and they will send you the login details or ask you to register again. So let us begin. ईशानां जगतोऽस्य वेङ्कटपतेर्विष्णोः परां प्रेयसीं तद्वक्षस्थलनित्यवासरसिकां तत्क्षान्तिसंवर्धिनीं पद्मालङ्कृतपाणिपल्लवयुगां पद्मासनस्थां श्रियम् वात्सल्यादिगुणोज्ज्वलां भगवतीं वन्दे जगन्मातरम् श्रीमन्कृपाजलनिधे कृतसर्वलोकसर्वज्ञशक्तनतवत्सल सर्वशेषिन् स्वामिन् सुशीलसुलभाश्रितपारिजात श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये आनूपुरार्पितसुजातसुगन्धिपुष्पसौरभ्यसौरभकरौ समसन्निवेशौ सौम्यौ सदानुभवनेऽपि नवानुभाव्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये सद्यो विकासि समुदित्वरसान्द्ररागसौरभ्य निर्भर सरोरुह साम्यवार्तां सम्यक्षु साहसपदेषु विलेखयन्तौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये रेखामयध्वज सुधाकलशातपत्रवज्राङ्कुशाम्बुरुह कल्पकशङ्खचक्रैः भव्यैरलङ्कृततलौ परतत्त्वचिह्नैः श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये ताम्रोदरद्युतिपराजितपद्मरागौ बाह्यैर्महोभिरभिभूतमहेन्द्रनीलौ उद्यन्नखांशुभिरुदस्तशशाङ्कभासौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये। सप्रेम भीति कमलाकरपल्लवाभ्यां संवाहनेऽपि सपदि क्लममादधानौ कान्ताववाङ्मनसगोचरसौ कुमार्यौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. We learned till here. So let us learn the next verse. Lakshmi Mahitadanu. Vibha, please unmute and share your webcam.
Ram Ram Ram.
Ram Ram Ram. Lakshmi Mahitadanu Rupa.
Lakshmi Mahitadanu Rupa. Lakshmi Mahitadanu Rupa.
Nijanubhava.
Nijanubhava. Nijanubhava.
नीलादि दिव्य महिषीकर पल्लवानां
नीलादि दिव्य महिषीकर पल्लवानां नीलादि दिव्य महिषीकर पल्लवानां
आरुण्य संक्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ
आरुण्य संक्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ आरुण्य संक्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Here Lakshmi Mahitadanurupa Nijanubhava. Bha is Mahaprana. Nijanubhava Neeladi Divya Mahishikara Pallavanam. Both lines we chant together. I split it up for the first time to just enable you to know the words. Arunya Sankramanataha Kila. So here Visarga followed by Ka, Jihva Muliya. So we chant the Visarga as Arunya Sankramanatah Kila. Sandra Ragau Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Now we will do 2 lines at a time. Lakshmi Mahitadanurupa Nijanubhava Neeladi Divya Mahishikara Pallavanam
Lakshmi Mahitadanurupa Nijanubhava Neeladi Divya Mahishikara Pallavanam Lakshmi Mahitadanurupa Nijanubhava Neeladi Divya Mahishikara Pallavanam
Arunya Sankramanatah Kila Sandraragau Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
आरुण्य संक्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये आरुण्य संक्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Now the entire verse. लक्ष्मी मही तदनुरूपनिजानुभावनीलादिदिव्यमहिषीकरपल्लवानाम् आरुण्यसङ्क्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये।
लक्ष्मीमहीतदनुरूपनिजानुभावनीलादिदिव्यमहिषीकरपल्लवानाम् आरुण्यसङ्क्रमणतः किल सान्द्ररागौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये।
उत्तमम्. Next one. Shivani, please unmute and share your webcam. Nityanamad-vidhi Shivadi Kirita-koti.
नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादि किरीटकोटि नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादि किरीटकोटि
प्रत्युक्त
प्रत्युक्त प्रत्युक्त
दीप्तनवरत्न
दीप्तनवरत्न दीप्तनवरत्न.
Oh, we don't really split like that while chanting, but just for you to understand here, pratyukta deepta. So two tas are there, p with t. Pratyukta deepta navaratna mahaha prarohaihi. Again, we do not split it as mahaha here. We chant it as mahav prarohaihi. Upadhmaniya. So visarga followed by pa, we get upadhmaniya. So mahav prarohaihi. Now I will chant the entire line. Pratyukta deepta navaratna mahav prarohaihi.
Pratyukta deepta navaratna mahav prarohaihi. Pratyukta deepta navaratna mahav prarohaihi.
नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ
नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Okay, let us see the Mahapranas. Nityanamadvidhi, dhi is Mahaprana. Shivadi Kirita Koti Pratyukta. So we combine both the lines. There is a hyphen here. We combine both the lines. Koti Pratyukta. So note the Dvitvam there. Like yesterday, I hope you all got the concept of Dvitvam clearly yesterday. I would suggest you all go back to the video and the presentation and listen to it again so that you are clear. And a very good analogy given by Dr. Soumya Krishnapur is with music. So in music, we just have the script with the swaras, but there are many anuswaras and gamakas, etc., which come while learning, which are not indicated in the script, but it is meant to be learned by listening to whoever is teaching you to chant. So when we learnt Suprabhatam, Bhagavad Gita, etc., we did not learn it with the rules of Dvitvam or knowing what Dvitvam is. Like all of us were around 4 or 5 year old children who did not know even to read the script because we were just learning the alphabet then. But the way we learned was just by listening to our guru. And now when I look back, I think how all the rules of Mahaprana, Alpaprana, Dvitvam, everything were perfectly imparted to us. And at that young age, you don't really go into grammar first and then teach the child to learn. So my guru Vidushi Anantalakshmi Natarajan Mahodaya always gives a wonderful analogy. She says, how does a child pick up the mother tongue? Do you teach the grammar first? No, by listening, they pick it up so easily. And I have seen kids who learn Sanskritam so well, very young, around 4 or 5 year old children. They speak so fluently. They've picked it up with perfect rules of grammar just by listening to it again and again. Of course, from their parents and others who speak Sanskritam so fluently, and not by sitting and learning Panini Sutras and Shabda Dhatu first. So by listening, you pick it up easily. Therefore, we do not indicate each and every dvitvam on the screen. That is what Dr. Soumya Bhagini also told us yesterday, how so much is learned by just listening. And when you see how children pick up, in Vyoma itself, you have courses on Amarakosha Ashtadhyayi, and they would have told how once upon a time, these used to be memorized by very young children. And how do they pick it up? Just by listening and repeating it orally, it is registered in the mind. Sometimes when you're learning at a very young age, like I said, you don't even know reading the letters properly, but everything, even grammatically, it is so perfectly registered and you internalize it. So now when we indicate, like I indicate the Mahapranas on the screen, I indicate Dvitvam, etc., we have to know these things, of course, but there is no need to indicate each and every Dvitvam on the screen. And Dvitvam is a beautiful concept. Sometimes even without your knowledge, you chant it automatically. So in fact, like I said, when young children are learning, their pronunciation is perfect, and they with all rules of Dvitvam, etc. But many of them wouldn't have studied Dvitvam concept, and then they're not applying it that way. So let us focus on listening to the right pronunciation, and let us try to get the right pronunciation. But of course, we will be aware of these concepts, and these are wonderful concepts of Samskrita Vyakaranam. So those who want to study further, the first step is to study the language, the basics of the language, and then to go into Vyakaranam, etc. You have multiple courses in Vyoma itself, right from very basic Sanskritam to very advanced courses. So for all levels, there are courses. And no translation does justice. So even if we give you the meaning or tell you the meaning, reading any work in its original language is the best. So that holds good for Sanskritam also. Reading it in any other language, in English or any other translation, will not come close. So the first step is to start learning the language to be able to understand these verses better. So I will start again this verse. Nityanamad-vidhi Shivadi Kirita-koti Pratyupta-dipta-navaratna Mahaf-prarohaihi.
नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादि किरीटकोटि प्रत्युक्तदीप्तनवरत्नमहः प्ररोहैः नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादि किरीटकोटि प्रत्युक्तदीप्तनवरत्नमहः प्ररोहैः
नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये नीराजना विधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Uttamam. Now the entire verse. Please note the Mahapranas here. Nirajana vidhimudara mupadadhanau. And this entire line also we chant together. Nityanamad vidhi shivadi kirita कोटि प्रत्युक्त दीप्त नवरत्नमः प्ररोहैः नीराजनाविधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये।
नित्यानमद्विधि शिवादि किरीटकोटि प्रत्युक्त दीप्त नवरत्नमः प्ररोहैः नीराजनाविधिमुदारमुपादधानौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये।
उत्तमम्। Next verse, Vibha. विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ
विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ
यौ मध्व उत्स इति
यौ मध्व उत्स इति
भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ
भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ
भूयस्तथेति तव
भूयस्तथेति तव
पाणितलप्रदिष्टौ
पाणितलप्रदिष्टौ
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये।
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये।
विष्णोः पदे, so visarga followed by pa, upadhamaniya. विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ, please note द्वित्वम here, इत्युदित प्रशंसौ यौ मध्व, ध is महाप्राण, उत्स इति भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ, भो is महाप्राण, भूयस्तथेति, so here please note bhu is mahaprana, then the, so tatheti tava, you have tha here coming one after the other, only this the is mahaprana, other thas are alpaprana. Bhuyastatheti tava panitala pradishtau, again dvitva panitala pradishtau Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye. Vibha, now we will do 2 lines at a time. Vishnu pade parama ityudita prashamsau yau madhva utsa iti bhogyataya pyupattau.
विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ यौ मध्व उत्स इति भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदित प्रशंसौ यौ मध्व उत्स इति भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ
भूयस्तथेति तव पाणितल प्रदिष्टौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
भूयस्तथेति तव पाणितल प्रदिष्टौ श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. भूयस्तथेति तव पाणितल प्रदिष्टौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
I think there is a question about bhogyatayapyupattau. Only bho is Mahaprana. Bhogyatayapyupattau. There is no other Mahaprana in this word. Now the entire verse. Vishnof pade parama ityudita prashamsau yau madhva utsa iti bhogyatayapyupattau भूयस्तथेति तव पाणितलप्रदिष्टौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
विष्णोः पदे परम इत्युदितः प्रशंसौ यौ मध्व उत्स इति भोग्यतयाप्युपात्तौ भूयस्तथेति तव पाणितलप्रदिष्टौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Here Panitala Pradishtau. Yes, there is a Dvitvam there also. Panitala Pradishtau. Please note that. And all of you, including the panelists, please note the difference between Madhva, Bhuyas Tatheti. So that Ghosha, Madhva, Dha should be clear. Whereas here, Tha. So if we don't apply Ghosha, the Dha and Tha are heard very similarly. So that please note. Yesterday we didn't have time to deal with that, so maybe at some other point of time we'll deal with that in detail. Next, Shivani. Parthaya tat sadrisha sarathina tvayaiva.
पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव
यौदर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति
यौदर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति यौदर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति
भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते
भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते
श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
पार्थाय थ महाप्राणा तत्सदृशसारथिना थि महाप्राणा त्वयैव यौदर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणं व्रजेति. You could chant it as sharanam vrajeti or sharanau vrajeti with that nasal tone. Both are right. Bhuyopi. Bha is Mahaprana. This is Purva Rupa Sandhi. So the Avagraha Chinha denotes that it is a Purva Rupa Sandhi. It is Bhuyo Api when you split. But while chanting, we chant it as Bhuyopi. Mahyamihatau Karadarshitau te Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Dye here is not a Mahaprana. There is a question regarding that. This Dye is D plus Y plus A. Like Vidya. It is not Dha. It is Da. Ta, Tha, Da. The third letter of Tavarga. That is the Da here. It is not a Mahaprana. We'll do 2 lines at a time. पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौदर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति
पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति
भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
उत्तमम्. Now the entire verse. पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
पार्थाय तत्सदृशसारथिना त्वयैव यौ दर्शितौ स्वचरणौ शरणौ व्रजेति भूयोऽपि मह्यमिह तौ करदर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
This letter, there is a doubt regarding this word. It is Sharanam Vrajeti. You could chant it as Sharanam Vrajeti or Sharanau Vrajeti. It is not now like this. It is with that nasal tone. For example, Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum. You could either chant it as Krishnam Vande Jagadgurum or Krishnau Vande Jagadgurum. It is not au. It is that nasal tone and that v. So yesterday also Dr. Soumya Bhagini dealt with this in brief, which is why I'm saying please go back to the recording and listen to it carefully. A lot of grammar concepts, very interesting ones. For those especially who are listening to it for the first time, it would be very useful if you could go through the PPT and go through the recording again, so that it would help you appreciate these aspects of chanting better. Okay, we move to the next verse. Vibha. Manmurdhni kaliya phane vikataatavishu.
मन्मूर्ध्नि कालियफणे विकटाटवीषु मन्मूर्ध्नि कालियफणे विकटाटवीषु
श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम्.
श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम् श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम्
चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते.
चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Manmurdhni. Dha is Mahaprana. Kaliya phane. Pha is very much a Mahaprana. received questions regarding that. It is pa, pha, ba, bha, ma, the second and the fourth letter of each varga. So you could go back to the Varnamala chart, which we dealt with in the first two classes. Pa, pha, pha is a Mahaprana. And we don't say pha in Sanskritam. We only have pha. So pa, pha, that is the second letter in the pa varga. Manmurdhani, dha is Mahaprana. Kaliya phane, pha. Vikatata vishu. You could either take a pause there or you could continue without a pause to the next line. That is optional. Vikatata vishu Shri Venkatadri Shikhare is also correct. Or you could pause. They are two separate words. No need to connect them. So Vikatata vishu Shri Venkatadri Shikhare kha. Shirasi Shrutinam. Here Dvitvam. Shirasi Shrutinam. Chittepyananya manasam. Avagraha chinha denotes Purva Rupa Sandhi. Chittepyananya manasam samamahitaute. Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Manmurdhni kaliya phane vikatavishu Shri Venkatadri Shikhare Shirasi Shrutinam.
मन्मूर्ध्निकालियफणे विकटाटवीषु श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम् मन्मूर्ध्निकालियफणे विकटाटवीषु श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम्
चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये. चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Now the entire verse. Manmurdhni kaliya phane vikatavishu Shri Venkatadri Shikhare Shirasi Shrutinam. Chittepyananyamanasam samamahitau te Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
मन्मूर्ध्निकालियफणे विकटाटवीषु श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखरे शिरसि श्रुतीनाम् चित्तेऽप्यनन्यमनसां सममाहितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Amlanahrishyadavaneetalakeernapushpau.
Amlanahrishyadavaneetalakeernapushpau. Amlanahrishyadavaneetalakeernapushpau.
Shri Venkatadri Shikharabharanaya Manau.
Shri Venkatadri Shikharabharanaya Manau. Shri Venkatadri Shikharabharanaya Manau.
Ananditakhila manonayanau tavaitau.
Ananditakhila manonayanau tavaitau. Ananditakhila manonayanau tavaitau.
Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Okay. First line, we chant the entire line together. Amlana Hrishya Davanitala Kirna Pushpau. So please note, Amlana Hrishya Davanitala Kirna Pushpau. Shri Venkatadri Shikhara, Kha is Mahaprana. Here, Bharana, again, Bha is Mahaprana. But we don't split in that way. We chant the entire line together. Shri Venkatadri Shikhara Bharana Yamanau. Ananditakhila, Kha is Mahaprana. Ananditakhila Mano Nayanau Tavaitau. Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Amlana Hrishyadavaneetalakirna Pushpau Shri Venkatadri Shikhara Bharanayamanau.
अम्लान हृष्यदवनीतलकीर्ण पुष्पौ श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखराभरणायमानौ अम्लान हृष्यदवनीतलकीर्ण पुष्पौ श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखराभरणायमानौ
आनन्दिताखिलमनोनयनौ तवैतौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
आनन्दिताखिलमनोनयनौ तवैतौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये आनन्दिताखिलमनोनयनौ तवैतौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Now the entire verse. Amlana Hrishyadavaneetalakirna Pushpau Shri Venkatadri Shikhara Bharanayamanau Ananditakhila Manonayanau Tavaitau Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
अम्लान हृष्यदवनीतलकीर्ण पुष्पौ श्रीवेङ्कटाद्रिशिखराभरणायमानौ आनन्दिताखिलमनोनयनौ तवैतौ श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Vibha. Prayah prapanna janata prathamavagahyau.
प्रायः प्रपन्न जनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ प्रायः प्रपन्न जनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ
Matustana vivashishoramritayamanau.
मातुस्तना विवशिशोरमृतायमानौ मातुस्तना विवशिशोरमृतायमानौ
Praptau parasparatulamatulantaraute.
प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते
Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Okay, here. Prayaha prapanna. So when visarga is followed by pa, we get upadhmaniya. So prayah prapanna. We don't say prayah. Prayah prapanna janata prathamavagahyau. Pratha is mahaprana. Matustanaviva shishoramritayamanau praptau parasparatulamatulantaraute Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye. Prayah prapanna janata prathamavagahyau matustanaviva shishoramritayamanau.
प्रायः प्रपन्नजनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ मातुस्तनाविव शिशोरमृतायमानौ प्रायः प्रपन्नजनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ मातुस्तनाविव शिशोरमृतायमानौ
प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Entire verse. Prayah prapanna janata prathamavagahyau matustanaviva shishoramritayamanau praptau parasparatulamatulantaraute Shri Venkatesha Charanau Sharanam Prapadye.
प्रायः प्रपन्नजनता प्रथमावगाह्यौ मातुस्तनाविव शिशोरमृतायमानौ प्राप्तौ परस्परतुलामतुलान्तरौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेशचरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Next one, Shivani. Sattvottarai satata sevya padambujena.
तत्त्वोत्तरै सततसेव्यपदाम्बुजेन सत्त्वोत्तरै सततसेव्यपदाम्बुजेन
संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन
संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन
सौम्योपयन्त्रिमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते सौम्योपयन्त्रिमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते
सौम्योपयन्त्रिमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते सौम्योपयन्त्रिमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये
श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Here please note Sattvottarai Satata, lot of Sanyuktaksharas, conjunct consonants, or where you have more than one Vyanjana combined. Sattvo, see t and va here. Sattvot, again here t and t. Sattvottarai satata. Sa and sa. So each and every letter should be chanted clearly. Sattvottarai satata sevya padambujena. Samsara taraka dayardra. Here note dayardra. Ardra. There are two ras coming there. Dayardra driganchalena. Here it is dr. First it is dayardra, ardra, and then dr. Every letter should be chanted clearly. Driganchalena. Saumyopayantri munina mama darshitau te Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye. Sattvottarai satata sevya padambujena samsara taraka dayardra driganchalena.
सत्वोत्तरै सतत सेव्य पदाम्बुजेन संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन सत्वोत्तरै सतत सेव्य पदाम्बुजेन संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन
सौम्योपयन्त्रिमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
सौम्योपयन्त्रमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये सौम्योपयन्त्रमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Now the entire verse. Sattvottarai satata sevya padambujena samsara taraka dayardra driganchalena saumyopayantri munina mama darshitau te Shri Venkatesha charanau sharanam prapadye.
सत्वोत्तरै सतत सेव्य पदाम्बुजेन संसारतारकदयार्द्रदृगञ्चलेन सौम्योपयन्त्रमुनिना मम दर्शितौ ते श्रीवेङ्कटेश चरणौ शरणं प्रपद्ये.
Uttamam. Next one. Vibha. We will complete learning Prapatti today. Shri Shashriya Ghatikaya.
Shri Shashriya Ghatikaya. Shri Shashriya Ghatikaya.
Vadupaya Bhave.
Twadupaya Bhave. Twadupaya Bhave.
Prapye Tvayi Swayamupeyataya.
Prapye Tvayi Swayamupeyataya. Prapye Tvayi Swayamupeyataya.
Phurantya.
Phurantya. Phurantya.
Nityashritaya.
Nityashritaya. Nityashritaya.
Niravadya Gunaya Tubhyam.
Niravadya Gunaya Tubhyam. Niravadya Gunaya Tubhyam.
Syankinkaro Vrishagirisha.
Syankinkaro Vrishagirisha. Syankinkaro Vrishagirisha.
Najatu Mahyam.
Najatu Mahyam. Najatu Mahyam.
Please note the Mahapranas. This is the last verse in Prapatti. Shri Shashriya Dvitvam. Shri Shashriya. So stress before sh. Shri Shashriya Ghatikaya. Gha is Mahaprana. Twadupaya Bhave. Bha. Prapye Tvayisvaya. Again here stress before s. Tvayisvaya Mupeyataya. Spurantya. Pha is Mahaprana. Phu here. Nityashritaya Niravadya Gunaya Tubhyam. Bha is Mahaprana. Syam Kinkaro. You could either chant it as Syam Anuswara completely or Syam Kinkaro Vrishagirisha Najatu Mahyam. Shri Shashriya Ghatikaya Twadupaya Bhave Prapye Tvayisvayamupeyataya Spurantya.
श्रीशश्रिया घटिकया त्वदुपाय भावे प्राप्ये त्वयि स्वयमुपेयतया स्फुरन्त्या श्रीशश्रिया घटिकया त्वदुपाय भावे प्राप्ये त्वयि स्वयमुपेयतया स्फुरन्त्या
नित्याश्रिताय निरवद्य गुणाय तुभ्यं स्याङ्किङ्करो वृषगिरीश न जातु मह्यम्.
नित्याश्रिताय निरवद्य गुणाय तुभ्यं स्याङ्किङ्करो वृषगिरीश न जातु मह्यम्. नित्याश्रिताय निरवद्य गुणाय तुभ्यं स्याङ्किङ्करो वृषगिरीश न जातु मह्यम्.
Now the entire verse. Shri Shashriya Ghatikaya Twadupaya Bhave Prapye Tvayi Swayamupeyataya Spurantya Nityashritaya Niravadya Gunaya Tubhyam Syankinkaro Vrishagirisha Najatu Mahyam.
श्रीशश्रिया घटिकया त्वदुपाय भावे प्राप्ये त्वयि स्वयमुपेयतया स्फुरन्त्या नित्याश्रिताय निरवद्य गुणाय तुभ्यं स्याङ्किङ्करो वृषगिरीश न जातु मह्यम्.
Yes, there is a dvitvam before sa. Tvayisvayamupeyataya. I think that was pointed out in the when we learned the Mahapranas and the dvitvams in this verse. Tvayisvayamupeyataya. So I hope that's clear. So tomorrow I will revise the entire Prapatti. Now it's already 6:45 beyond actually. So tomorrow I will be revising all the verses of Prapatti, and please also practice all of you, and we will have individual chanting tomorrow for Stotram and for Prapatti, for both, because Stotram was very small. It's just 11 verses or so. We didn't have individual chanting. So tomorrow, please practice Stotram and Prapatti, and we will have individual chanting for these two tomorrow. And after this, we will have Mangalam, Mangala Shasanam. So what each of these four components are, this has been sent by email to you in the very first promotion email, and it is on the course page. Actually, a lot of material is available on the course page. So please make use of it. The description in brief, what are each of these four components, everything is there. And the text in 6 languages, yesterday's presentation, the link to the videos, everything you have there. So please go to sanskritfromhome.in and please log in with your registered credentials. They will not be sent to you. They are what you would have used to log in and or to sign in, and you will have to sign in with the same username and password. If you have problems finding them, again, there is an option you could click on forgot username or forgot password, and it will take you to the right place. So here, okay, probably the email ID is not given. I won't be able to answer admin related questions. So for username not working, password not working, you could send an email to vyomalabs@sanskritfromhome.in. So vyomalabs@sanskritfromhome.in. Any admin related emails, they will be answering. I will not be able to answer them. So any problem signing in, etc., you could write to them. Now I will conclude with Shanti Mantraha. See you all tomorrow. And we will be revising Prapatti and then individual chanting of Stotram and Prapatti, both. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvebhyah namaskaraha, dhanyavadaha. Thank you to the panelists. We will meet tomorrow, and we will learn. We will have a revision of entire Prapatti and also learn Mangala Shasanam in case time permits. Otherwise, maybe just individual chanting. Dhanyavadaha.